I need to make sure that we on the same page, all right? No nonsense.
Okay. Hey, okay. Let me talk. Right back where you left off with. KBD on me, I put the clipping. Gabby Douglas, boy, this flip Olympic. Hey, I got G in me, you need to listen. Her out the band, I move like Rambo with the camo. Make that look on Andrew. On this, I pick my ass from Kaepernick. My job on camera, man, this classic, this a masterpiece. And the P is for Pablo, tryna outrun Diablo. She look like Rihanna. I said, if God not her motto, me no speak of the nonsense, but she bad. I had to think like, was that really Rihanna? No, I'm running with my freedom like a check. Outside, keep the water on the deck. Geeking on the wet boy, that's a tech. Okay, reaching all your verses, leave me stress. Water mixed like alchemy. To come up, had a canopy. It's no big deal, that happened naturally. Me and Jerry gon' start academies. Teach him all the waiver clause. I ain't raise a fry, she build me up. Ain't have a cent to give, he lift me up. Ain't had a pot to piss, but rich enough. Ain't had a heart to face, but dissing us. Thinking of the grace of God, I come alive. Thinking of the lie, she took to blink your eyes. That was all the passion press inside the lines I got. Woo! No change like I'm J. Cole. He got dollars, but they fake though. Yeah, he can't wear them.
Who the hell is this? Who the hell? It's a face that I seen before.
Okay. Rolling loud, know you whole fan. Pump faking for the whole gram. She got a prayer night before the pole dance. She gotta watch his back. He got wrong friends. He was spitting. Okay. Right back where he left off with it. KBD and me, I put the clipping. Gabby Douglas, boy, this flip Olympic. I got G in me, you need to listen. Okay.
Let me talk.
Yo, make sure you like and follow us in all social media.
Appreciate it, KB.
Thank you for watching China's Party.